Everyone, this is video 5. We're going to be doing page 5 and page 6. This has got the one flip here, and this page number 5, you're going to get 2 3 3/4 by 5 3/4 for your piece of cardstock that measures 4 by 6. You're going to need one hinge. That's the 1 inch piece by 6 inch piece scored in half. You're going to need the 2 3 3/4 by 5 3/4. You're going to need 2 of those. And you need one 5 3/4 by 5 3/4. And then your page right there. Okay, that's for page 5. And then for page 6, we're going to use one 5 3/4 by 5 3/4. You're going to need 6 as well of the 3 3/4 by 5 3/4. Those are for your waterfalls. You're also going to need 3 hinges for your waterfalls. So let's get started building the pages. So there's your base. And we're going to take the hinge, and we're going to start off with that. We're just taping the hinge completely. Okay, so that we got this. All right, then you're going to just take 2 pieces off like we did yesterday. Like that. And you know what? I'm going to do a little mitering of the edges at an angle. That way gives me a little bit of a cleaner line. Okay, so we're going to take this. This is our flip. And we're going to lay it down like that. There you go. And then we're just going to take one of our pieces and we're going to tape it on to this part of the page. And like I was saying with the liquid glue yesterday, if you're going to use liquid glue, my suggestion is make sure you have thicker paper. I wouldn't use this thin stuff that I have because it will make it bubble and it's not going to look pretty. So we're also going to take this and we're going to, because we need to attach this page, this flap, to this. So we're just going to take this before we add this page to here. And we're going to take this. Oh, goodness. And we're going to adhere it to the page. Like that. Make sure it's stuck down really well before you get your next page started. Or your next part of your page started. And then you're going to take your adhesive and get it ready to go. All right. just like so. Got to add another piece to here, but I'm going to go ahead and start working on this one because we have very limited time. And so I have my 6 pieces here. I'm going to add them. I'm going to add first. I'm going to miter all these. So all my hinges are done. I'm going to add my adhesive to them. And it's okay if you get a little bit of tape over the edges, because all I do is I just fold the tape over. Once I take the little plastic stripping off, I'll just fold it over onto itself. So we got one done. Now if you have 1/2 inch tape, of course that would work well in this instance, so you're not wasting a bunch of your 1/4 inch, but like I said, I have 1/4 inch because I do a lot of little mini albums and I only need a 1/4 inch border on my albums. But I will be adding the 1/2 inch because I use that. I tend to do this a lot. So anyway, we're going to add the hinges. That way we can adhere the back sides of our pages down to our papers. Like that. All right, and then we'll be adding pages like that. Okay. I don't know why I took all the tape off of it, but we'll go to the next one. Just going to take one side off, like that. And we're going to add it, like that. Like that. And then the next one, again, the same thing. Like so. Okay. Now what we got to do is we got to figure out what should go on the front and what should go on the back. I don't know what's going on with this hinge, but it does not seem to be in the right spot. Okay. All right. So now we got to figure out what paper should be on the front and on the back. That seems to be nice. Make it with that. So then we're going to adhere this all down. Same thing with this one. And then this one. I don't think you need to sit and watch me do the whole process of every single one of them. We'll do the front sides. You can do the backs, and we'll meet up again for the next page. Make sure you get them down very nicely, burnishing them afterwards as well. And then we'll go from there. We'll get these 6 down on the back and get these on the front. And we'll move from there. Sounds good, folks? All right, we will see you in the next video.